My name is Rathod Manan from Standard 7th B.
My name is Kartik Rajesh Bose from Standard 7th B.
Our team name is Guru Tech.
We are from Model School Danteshwar English Medium afternoon shift.
We have seen that our surrounding is not clean. Due to this, many people fall ill. We have to take care of our health. So we have decided to clean our surroundings.
We have made this project from the use of cardboard box, fan, DC motors, wires, etc.
Suppose there are 3 members in one house, father, mother and child. Father will go to job, mother will do household work. If mother is busy in other household work, mother can teach the child that wherever he see the garbage, he have to take this box and he have to scroll the stick so the garbage which is there will go inside the box like this. You can see that garbage is gone inside the box. After a few minutes, mother have to take the box from their child and throw the garbage into the dustbin. She can throw the garbage into 2 ways, by this method, or if by this method is not working, so she can do this method also.
It helps to clean dust particles in car, home, etc.
If child can do this and mother can do this vacuum cleaner. There are many vacuum cleaner, but they are costly. We have made this vacuum cleaner by low cost price. You can also say this by mini budget. We have to join positive terminal to positive wire and negative terminal to negative wire. So this vacuum cleaner can start, and the small particles which is there will go inside it. You can see that dust particles has gone inside the bottle. If mother want to throw the garbage which is inside the bottle, she have to only open the cap and throw it into the dustbin like this.
I have attached the wires.
And I have prepared the model.
Thank you.
Thank you.